Hello everyone and my dear VR travelers. I welcome everyone to the first wonder of the world, the pyramids of Giza. In this video, we are going to see what's under the pyramids. So let's see what's under the pyramid. Pyramids are actually an indication of the tomb of the ancient Egypt pharaohs. So under the pyramid, ancient kings were buried along with his gold and ornaments. All the gold and ornaments, including the king's mummy, has been taken to the museum of the various parts of the world. So now all the pyramids are empty. I hope you guys like this 360 video, and if you guys want to watch more 360 video, check the link in the description below and give us a thumbs up and stay subscribed for more 360 videos. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
This is the Queen Chamber of the Views, and we are under the pyramid. Luckily, I got a shot.